Your shoes are cute.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
One, ready?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you for asking.
You're welcome.
By the way, I'm Mrs. Townsend.
And I'm Matt.
Nice to meet you, Madeline.
It's nice to meet you too.
She just blew it out the water. You got a lot of lessons. All right, you guys, come on up. Come on up. Okay. Okay. Matter of fact, turn this way for me. All right. Come right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hold me tightly. I need you to hold me tightly, right? Because your hand is small. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking.
My pleasure. And your name is?
Is
Okay, let's start over. Let's start over, okay? 1, 2, 3. Hold me. It's called a firm handshake, okay? Because your hand is so small, I say tightly, but I really mean firmly. When your hand gets bigger, it's firm, okay? All right, 1, 2, 3. Good. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking.
My pleasure.
My,
How are you?
How are
Remember I
you?
asked you how you're doing?
how are you?
I'm well, thank you.
I am.
I'm well, thank you. It's kind of awkward, right? Because there's never a script when you're meeting someone. The small talk just happens. We have closed our legs as ladies. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking.
My pleasure.
What's your name?
And how are you?
And how are you?
Remember, we reciprocate. We do that in return. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome.
Yes, I'm Mrs. Thompson.
I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you.
You're welcome.
Sarah, are you like nervous? Yeah, no need to be nervous. Okay, so when I said nice to meet you, you would say nice to meet you as well. Okay? All right, let's hit it one more time. We're going to blow it out the water. 1, 2, 3. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking.
My pleasure.
How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome.
I'm Mrs. Thompson.
I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too.
Good job. All right, come on up. Want to make sure everybody gets a turn. Okay?
That's enough.
Ready? 1, feet forward. Okay? Remember, we always start forward. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, I'm Samara Martinez.
Nice to meet you, Samara. How are you?
Good, thank you.
My pleasure.
How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome.
And I am Mrs. Thompson.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So she's like, forget about the small talk. Let's just go right in with our name. And that happens. So you've got to be ready. The key thing is to listen when you're meeting someone so you can respond accordingly. Come on up, Corey. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hello. So you don't walk to me. The only leg that should be forward is the right leg. Okay? The left leg stays in place. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hello, how are you?
Good.
So we don't want to just say good. I'm doing well. I'm doing great. I'm fine. Okay? All right? 1, 2, 3. Hello. I need you to hold me. Okay? Firmly. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
I am Noemi.
I'm doing well, thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Yeah, that's we have to listen. We get so caught up into disclosing our name, we forget to actually answer the question, right, or respond. All right, your eyes are beautiful. Okay, so here we go. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Hello, how are you?
I'm doing well, and how are you?
I'm doing fine. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome.
By the way, I'm Mrs. Thompson.
I am Noemi.
Nice to meet you, Noemi.
Nice to meet you too.
Good job. Awesome. Woo! All right, let's go. She eased over here in the seat. Love it. She's learning. Step back just a little bit for me, please. All right. Ready? Do you want to come over where you can get something like a different angle? Yes. Yes. Good thinking. Good thinking. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hi.
Okay, so you walk to me. Just the right leg moves. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hi, my name.
Hold me. Hold me tightly. Yes, and it's I am. Remember? That's tight. That's called firm. Okay? You want a firm shape. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hi, I'm Alan.
Okay. The walking back and stay in one place. That left leg remains, they call it station. It remains in place. It doesn't move.
Just stay still and
Just,
smile.
yes, and after you're finished shaking, your right leg goes back. Okay, perfect. 1, 2, 3. Hello, hold me, hold me. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking.
Thank you for asking.
Okay, I just said thank you. Yeah, okay, it can confuse you, okay? Ready? And remember, it's not good. It's, I'm doing well, or I'm doing fine, or something like that, okay? 1, 2, 3. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Not just good. I'm doing well. I'm doing fine, something like that. You want to say I'm doing, okay? Right?
What?
Not just good.
So, like,
If I say, how are you? You don't want to just say good. I'm doing
Then-
well.
okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's easier.
That's easier?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hello. I need a handshake. Hello, how are you?
Good. I keep messing that up.
That's
I keep
okay.
forgetting.
Nobody is perfect. Okay? I'm doing. Okay? Or go ahead and ask me how I'm
What do
doing
you mean
first.
I'm doing?
I'm doing well.
Uh-huh.
I'm doing good. I'm doing great. I'm doing fine. But
So
you
when
want
I-
to say I'm doing and then let us know
So
how.
I would say I'm doing good.
I'm doing well. I'm doing fine. I'm doing great. Right? Whatever. Or I'm not so good. Not doing so good. But you don't want to say that because that's too much information. Okay? 1.
Wait, let me just say, ask this to you. So I would say I am doing great, right?
Yes. Or I'm doing fine. All right? Or I'm doing well. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Hello. How are you?
Good. I'm doing fine. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome.
By the way, I'm Mrs. Thompson.
I'm Adeline.
Nice to meet you, Adeline.
Nice to meet you too.
Good job. Give her a hand.